This is our camera test for the Vivo T1 5G. Ayan, hawak natin yung box. We're shooting using the front-facing camera. Default settings, the only thing that I changed, dinagdag natin yung grid lines while shooting. This is with the default video mode, 1080p. Di ko na tignan di ko napansin yung frame rate niya, no? But I believe should be around 30 FPS yun naman yung standard. And ano ba? Abangan nyo yung full review. Kalabas yan sa ating YouTube channel. Search nyo na lang Tech Kuya channel sa YouTube. And without further ado, let's take a look at this package that arrived earlier from Maya, Philippines. Tabi muna natin itong box. Kaka-birthday ko lang nung June. So, may pahabol. Okay, at least kahit pa paano, di ba? June pa rin, humabol pa rin. And thank you so much. Ang ganda, no? Cute. May custom-made na, ano tawag dito? Parang cake topper. Talagang yung pangalan ko nandyan. Okay. Okay. Yan. Ang galing, galing. Cute. Naka-customize pala ito, no? Now, nagka-idea tuloy ako for future birthday celebrations. Kasi maganda talaga kung personalize yung pangalan. And simple message from our friends from Maya. Thank you, Maya team, for remembering and making my birthday special. Ayan. Tingnan natin yung quality ng video. Parang hanggang dito, no, nagpo-focus siya. Pero in focus pa rin yung face ko. Meaning, yung depth ng focus niya is quite, shall we say, wide? Ano ba? Hindi siya deep, di ba? Ayun, the focusing distance is quite deep kasi hindi siya shallow, no? Kasi otherwise, pag ginanyan natin, magfo-focus siya dun sa card and mag-blur yung face ko, pero hindi. Which is usual naman na nangyayari for front-facing camera. Which is not as good as the rear-facing camera. So later on, we're gonna do a camera test for the rear-facing camera naman. Ganda nung cute nung packaging nitong Nonos. Ayan, Nonos cakes and confections. Ayoko masyadong i-tilt, baka mamaya sumayad yung cake sa ating box. Blue and silver. I like it. Very elegant, very classy looking box. At syempre, tumagal tayo dahil sa ribbon. Ayan, tanggal natin. And there we go. So, kunwari, food vlogger tayo ulit. Food vlogger mode tayo today. Uy, medyo malamig. Nararamdaman ko yung cake. So, mukhang part yun ng ating part yun nung style ng gantong klaseng cake is dapat malamig pag sinaserve. Kahit papano, malamig pa rin naman siya. Although, kani-kanina lang siya dumating mga 1 hour ago. At ayan. Happy birthday to me. Thank you so much to our friends over at Maya Philippines for this wonderful cake. Thank you for remembering my birthday. Really appreciate it. Dito naman tayo. From Mondelez. Dalawa lang yung i-demo natin yan. Bilang camera test naman ito. Okay. From our friends over at Castro and from Mondelez Philippines. Dear Denison, thank you for confirming your attendance in the international #proud to be me media event, blah blah blah. Ito yung para sa Miss Trans Global 2020 kay Mela Habijan, ang ating kapatid na LGBTQIA+. Okay, this will be happening on July 1 at 2 p.m. Bukas na yan. We'll be celebrating MDLZ Pride. #MDLZ Pride. Mondelez Philippines Pride Day or Pride Month celebration. July. Okay. Medyo tapos na pero either way, it's nice that we are giving this opportunity. We have this opportunity to showcase and celebrate diversity. Okay. For our friends and families na LGBTQ. Shots, Cadbury shots. Thank you so much. Favorite natin yan. Favorite ng mga kids. Some other Mondelez products. Tang. Uy, ito favorite ni baby. Yan. Oreo. For sure, ubos ka agad to. Okay. Yan. Hanggang dyan yung focusing ng ating camera. And by the way, we are shooting using natural light. Galing sa ating right side. And we are not using a studio setup right now. So yung light, this would be what it would look like kung budget setup kayo. Yung mga mag-vlog kayo, di ba? Tapos hindi na kayo gagamit ng ilaw or mabilisang video shoot without any additional accessories. Walang mic, walang ilaw. Eden Mayo. Bago to cheese flavored mayonnaise. Meron palang ganito. Nakita nyo guys. Interesting. I've never seen this before. I didn't know na meron palang ganyang product. So if you're still watching, well now alam nyo na. And of course, Tiger, favorite natin yan, crackers. Okay. Noecha's favorite siya ng ating baby Sunny. Ayan, wala na. Okay, bag. Maraming salamat, Mondelez Philippines and Maya Philippines. Hang on to your seats for the full review of the Vivo T1 5G. Okay, stay tuned. Punta lang kayo sa channel, youtube.com/techkuya. Subscribe kayo. See you then. Bye.